Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell in the title, I will be playing with the new Urban Decay and Prince collection. I know that a lot of people had some thoughts about this, and I know what people think about like Urban Decay and some of their palettes and how it's like not as creative. But this is a Prince palette, so this is like something and inspired by Prince. And the colors, I see the colors very him, so I'm really excited to try it out. First of all, the packaging looks crazy. So this is going to be obviously a video for those who are interested in the palette. If you guys don't really care for the palette, then you guys don't really have to watch the video. I know, unless you're really interested in how it actually comes out. But if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about the collection, and we can just have a conversation about it. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, want to be part of my little family, if you guys still are not subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. That's always so hard to say, like, all fast. I'm surprised I even say it. So let's go ahead and continue with the collection. The collection looks like this. So you open it like this. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is just like the PR, but it looks like that. It looks really, really cool. Actually, I love the way the packaging looks for the palettes. Really cool. I'm gonna tell you straight up right now, I'm not really interested so much in this one because this one looks like this and the colors are okay. There's a lot of shimmers, just in case you guys were wondering. It is very shimmery, so I'm gonna not really use this palette, but I am going to be using this blue palette because, well, it's not blue, but it's a purple palette. And it looks like this. Let's go ahead and open it, and it looks like that. What do you guys think about it? This one, it was just broken, but obviously it's just because of the packaging when they bring it over, like ship it. But it looks like this. I like this a lot. When I saw on Trend Mood's page, I was more gravitated to the blue, to be honest. That's why I'm wearing a blue shirt right now, because I am going to be using the blues and the purples. I just feel like that's what I want to do. But this is really cute. I like the way the packaging looks. I wish Urban Decay comes out with more palettes, but for their own brand, with this kind of like really fun packaging. We know we all love the Naked palettes, but I would like to see them use like a different kind of packaging for new palettes coming up. But this is really cool. They also came out with this. This is a all-nighter waterproof setting powder. I'm assuming it's their setting powder, but it's just in this packaging, to be honest. I don't think it's anything new. So it looks like that, and it is like that. I'm gonna go ahead and it's just really like a universal color, you guys. I'm assuming they might have darker shades. I'm not sure. I didn't see any darker shades, but just wanted to let you guys know this is what it is. And they also came out with this. This is a liquid face and luminizer. I'm assuming you can put this on your face under the foundation, or you can use it in your body. Let's go ahead and open it up and see how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this. I don't really use these. Oh yeah, so it just kind of goes on, but it's like a really nice highlighter. Actually, I like this for like the body. I feel like this is actually really nice for the body and make it look very nice and glowy. Let me go ahead and try it on my shoulders. And then, don't mind this. The shirt doesn't fit me, but do you guys see the difference right there? It, like, how it just makes it look very nice and luminous. This is mine without nothing on it. Like, I don't even have lotion. I don't got lotion, don't judge me. But and then this is the shoulder. It looks actually really nice. I like that. I feel like it would be good for like a photo shoot when you're going like in the summer or anything like that. This is actually really nice. I think I would have used this again. I don't really use them, but I like it because it doesn't have so much glitter, you know. Glitter sometimes is just too much for me. And then we also came out with these pencils. These are eye pencils. They have a white one, and it's this one's When Doves Cry, and this one's called So Dark. So when you open them, it looks like this. Ooh, they're jumbo pencils. You guys see that? That is insane. You guys know I have to try the white one. Like the white one, I just need to know how pigmented it is, how it works. Black, we know how black is, you know, but I want to see that white. I'm gonna go ahead and do a tutorial using this palette, this one right over here. So let's go ahead and just get started with that. I will be putting the launch date around here, and I will be And I also will be putting any information you guys want to know about the products down below in the description box. So I do want to do like a really groovy eye look. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay prints. This is the, I said, like When Doves Cry. I'm going to be using the pencil to kind of map out what I want to do. And let's go ahead and just start right over here. Okay, that's really creamy. Yeah, look at that, you guys. That is insanely pigmented. I like that. Ooh, that is really, really cool, you guys. Do you guys see that? And it's so easy to use, especially because it's so big. So easy. That looks really, really nice. I like that. So far my impressions of this, really creamy, easy to use. Love how big it is. Perfect. This is really cool, like just to kind of shade all over the eye if you're trying to do like a really bright eye look or all white look. This is really, really cool. So that looks really, really cool. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Computer Blue, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go in with this one. And I'm going to be packing that on the lid. And I'm excited for this shade, you guys. So I'm going to be packing it right next to the white and just kind of mapping that out. And just making it really, really fun eyeshadow look using the palette because, you know, the shades are okay, but I want to do something fun. So we're going to just kind of pack that all over the lid. So as you guys can see, the blue is very actually nice and pigmented, which I love a lot. Thank God it's good. So I'm going to go in with another shade here. I'm going to go in with purple. I kind of want to use the purple here. And I'm going to be using the shade Get Your Groove On, which is this shade right here. It's like a lavender purple. And I'm going to be using that one. And I'm going to be packing that all over the lid here in the middle. And just kind of packing that there. Then blending those two blue and purple shades together. Ooh, that looks really, really nice. You guys see that? That looks so cute. Now I want to go in with the purple called Funk Roll, which is this deep purple right over here. I want to use that one, and I'm going to kind of darken a little bit of the corner right here, the blue, just a little bit, just to keep it a little more dark there, like that. Now I want to really play with that like blue shade, that shimmery blue shade that we have there going on. It is called Indigo Nights right here. This one right over here, and I'm going to be using a flat brush with that. I want to make sure I wet it because it's a little loose, because, you know, it's a little broken, but that's okay, it's fixable. And I'm going to be packing that all over here, the lid, and just making sure that it's like really nice and shimmery. Maybe it's better with my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out with my finger and just press it on there. So I'm gonna just get a little bit of that purple. It's called Baby, is it Baby MSR? Or you know what, I'm gonna get the DMSR right here, this one. And I'm going to be using that to add it to right over here, just to add a little bit of shimmer to the eye, because I feel like that looks really, really nice. Cute. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to grab the shade When Doves Cry, which is another white shade that it has here in the palette, and I'm going to be adding that to my inner corner. I want that white to stand out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it in there. So far it is looking like this. I actually like the white. It's just, I want to tell you guys really quick, you can kind of see a little bit of like that fallout going on. I ended up taking it off with some setting powder, but I wanted to let you guys know that there's a little bit of fallout. So if you guys are liking that, just letting you guys know. But other than that, I actually like the way this is looking. I'm gonna go in with Alphabet Street, which is this pink shade right over here. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna be putting that on my brow bone just to add a little bit of color and kind of bring that in with my blush, just to kind of like mix that in there. And also, you know what, I'm gonna use this on the bottom of the eye just to kind of make it a little bit pink. Okay, so I ended up going off camera and I ended up putting some lashes, like these little corner lashes right here, and a little bit of a lip. So this is the final look, you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the look and also about the collection. So my thoughts on the collection. I love, 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 love this pencil. It is so creamy, so easy to use, doesn't really budge that much at all. I like it a lot. I also want to give my opinion on the palette because that is what I use today. I do feel like I wished the consistency of the shadows were a bit more buttery, in a sense where it doesn't really, there's not too much fallout, because I tried putting it on my eyes and like it's good, but I actually do wish that like if there wasn't so much fallout. Like I don't. Okay, really quick, I am doing some of the swatches on my arms, and I didn't do the swatches before I did it on my eyes. So I want to show you guys, oh, I'm not show you guys, but you guys are going to see the swatches. I do want to tell you guys, they swatched really nicely. They actually felt buttery, like I said I wanted them to feel. So they actually feel really good. I don't know why it wasn't working out on my eyes. Maybe it's because I was using brushes, so you're better off using your finger when you want to use the shimmers. So I want to point that out, and then you guys can just kind of buff it out with a blending brush. But the shimmers are actually very nice. They swatch very nicely. It's just I don't know what was going on with my eyes. I want to show you guys. This is how they look. It's really nice and shimmery. The shimmer is really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like it looks really nice and shimmery. Don't mind the lash. But you know. So I just wanted to let you guys throw that out there. Since I'm swatching them for you for the video, and yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. The thing is, like, I'm not bothered about fallout. It is the fact when I put it on my eyes and I see a lot of it on, you can kind of see a little bit in the corner here how it's like kind of chunk, and that is like a big no for me. So I just want to let you guys know how that is looking on my eyes and my opinion about it. That is my opinion. I do wish, I know that Urban Decay has really good formula, and I actually like a lot of their formulas. I just don't know what happened with this palette. But I like the packaging. The packaging is really good. Like I said, it's just the shimmers. I wish that it was a bit more of a buttery kind of shimmer where you kind of glide it on and it looks good. I mean, it's not bad, but it could be better. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes any sense. But if you're a Prince fanatic, if you're a Prince like collector, this collection would be amazing for you to get, because it's just the packaging's amazing. Everything's really good. The pencils are just bomb. I actually like the illuminator a lot. I feel like it looks really nice on the skin. You can kind of see my shoulder is still kind of glowy here. It's not as glowy here as much as it is here. And obviously, if you guys like Prince and you guys want like the Urban Decay waterproof setting powder, I highly recommend this one because it does have the Prince logo and the packaging. So just in case you guys are, like I said, Prince collectors. So that is the end of the video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure you guys are subscribed, and make sure to give my video a thumbs up if you guys like what you see. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm always posting there, and I'll see you guys next time.